Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that plagues many a small business owner. QuickBooks. It's a powerhouse accounting software, but what happens if you decide it's not the right fit for you? Will your precious financial data vanish into the accounting abyss? Don't worry, we'll shed some light on that and explore some alternative options to keep your books in order. So, let's address the elephant in the room. Canceling QuickBooks doesn't mean your data gets Thanos snapped. QuickBooks actually offers a few ways to export your information, allowing you to migrate it elsewhere or simply keep it for your records. Here's the breakdown. There's the Export to Excel option, which gives you a basic spreadsheet format of your data. It's a good starting point, but it might require some reformatting depending on your needs. Then there's the IIF file export, which is a more QuickBooks-specific format. It can be imported into other accounting software that supports it, but for the average user, it might not be the most user-friendly option. Now, for those who want a more comprehensive solution, QuickBooks offers a data transfer service. This is a paid option, but it allows you to export your data into a format that other accounting software can easily understand. This can save you a ton of time and frustration when switching platforms. But before you hit that cancel button, let's consider why you might be thinking about leaving QuickBooks in the first place. Maybe it's the pricing. QuickBooks can get expensive, especially for larger businesses with complex needs. Perhaps the user interface feels clunky, or maybe the features just don't align with your specific workflow. The good news is, there's a whole world of accounting software out there. Here are some alternatives to consider, depending on your needs. For the budget-conscious, Wave. This free option is perfect for freelancers and solopreneurs with basic accounting needs. Zoho Books. Another free option with a generous free plan, offering a good balance of features and ease of use. For the small business owner, Xero. A cloud-based platform known for its user-friendly interface and strong integrations with other business tools. FreshBooks. Another cloud-based option with a focus on simplicity and automation, making it a great choice for businesses on the go. For the enterprise, Sage Intacct, a robust option for larger businesses with complex accounting needs. NetSuite ERP. This software integrates accounting with other business functions like inventory management and CRM, making it ideal for companies looking for a centralized solution. Remember, the best accounting software is the one that fits your specific business needs and budget. Don't be afraid to shop around and try out some free trials before making a decision. Now, back to the question of canceling. Even if you do decide to move on from QuickBooks, you can rest assured that your data won't be lost forever. With a little planning and the right export method, you can migrate your information to a new platform and keep your financial house in order. So, there you have it. I hope this video helped shed some light on canceling QuickBooks and the options available to you. Remember, the key is to find the software that empowers you to manage your finances efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy accounting.